the Philippines. Combat Sports Kalyan, in cooperation with Senator Loren Legarda, Congressman Paulo Javier, and Congressman A.A. Legarda are proud to present an evening of the main event, ladies and gentlemen, 4 rounds of boxing under bantamweight category. This is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board Chairman Attorney Francisco J. Rivera. Chief for Pro Boxing and other contact sports, Rodel E. Manaog, Commissioners Attorney Manny Plaza III, and Angel Bautista. Judges for this bout are Romeo Sumalapa, Henry Sestina, and Gideon Netes, and Wenda Bello Reigns. Referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Daniel Nieves. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from the University of Antique, in the thousands watching all around the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, let the war begin! Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing a green with yellow, official weight, 118.6 pounds, professional record, 1 win with 1 defeat and 1 bout even. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly representing Tequila from Manila, ladies and gentlemen, Rodel Paimalan. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing blue with white, official weight, 118.4 pounds. He has an excellent professional record, consisting of 1 victory with only 1 defeat. He is an amateur standout and the pride of his hometown, San Jose Antique, also representing Combat Sports Kalyan. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Gideon Salazar. And to give instructions, here's referee Danny Yetes.
Gideon Salazar versus Rodel Paimalan. Ito, Paimalan wearing red and ito si
Round number 1.
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.
Salazar wearing blue trunks. Pero ito partner, protein and tested ito kasi ay pangalang lupa ng babae. Oh!
The president of University of Antique, Director Ray Romero, also Mayor Astor Malanhay. On top of the ring, please to
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.